Now that you've selected an ebook, I will show you how to access it. The first thing I recommend is creating an account in eBook Central, and this will give you access to the bookshelf. Here you can see on my bookshelf all the books that I have downloaded or read online. You'll also see all the annotations that I've made in those books, and they will stay there while you have an account with eBook Central. You can see over here on the left-hand side that I've created different folders in which to put these references and resources in. Here is the book that I would like to access today. You can see the book details over here on the right-hand side of the screen, including title, author, publisher, etc. Here you can see the availability, and this is telling us that Avondale Library has multiple copies of this book. You can also see that you can copy 46 pages of this book, and you can download as a PDF 46 additional pages as well. Now you can read the book online for about 10 minutes before it prompts you to download the book, or you can automatically just download the book straight away. You download it to an e-reader such as Adobe Digital Editions, and you can choose how long you have the item for, from 7 to 21 to 28 days. Let's have a look here at Read Online. Now you can read the book as a traditional book by clicking to each page over here, or you can browse through the contents here. So you can see that each chapter is listed. What is also great that you can do with eBooks is you can then search within that book. And here I'm going to search for anxiety. Now it's telling me that there's 89 results for anxiety, so the word anxiety features in this book 89 times. When you come over and have a look at this bar, the higher the purple colour in this bar, the more hits for the word that you've just searched for. So you can see that anxiety is mentioned slightly here, but it's been mentioned quite a lot here and here and here. So you can then click and it takes you directly to that book, that page. And the keyword that you've searched for is highlighted. So every time that word is mentioned in the book, it will be highlighted. Now, if I want to see here, I can download directly from within the book as well. And it's telling me that it's available for only a 7-day download. Once I start copying and printing, these numbers will drop down. Here's my table of contents. And I can annotate this book. So for example, I would like to highlight this section. And it's telling me it is saved to my bookshelf. I also might like to highlight this section. I might do it in a different colour this time. And I might put a note here. Saved. So it's got the little sticky note icon here to tell me that I've left a note on that page. Now, if I go back to the bookshelf, you will see that I now have 3 annotations for that book. And if I click on here, it takes me directly to those items. If you decide that you'd like to download this book, click Full Download. Choose what device you're using and download as either EPUB or PDF.